Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. Dear children, mental ability concept series. Very easy topic. Series means what is the next? Weightage 5 marks. Weightage 5 marks. Okay. Children, you can practice little bit. You are getting 5 out of 5 also. Series very easy concept. Observe. Suppose here one box. Square box. Square box. Square box. Square box. This is question mark. Here I kept the circle first time. In the second diagram I kept 2 circles. In the third one I kept 3 circles. What is the fourth one? This is the serious question. So they given 4 options. Which option is satisfied? So 1, 2, 3. So what is the next one compulsory? So 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. This type of questions we had. Okay children, part 1. Only previous questions only. Look at how to calculate, how to identify. Observe the directions. There are 3 question figures on the left hand side and the space for the 4th figure is a left blank. Okay, the question figures are in a series. Find out the figure from among the answer. Figures given on the right hand side which occupies the blank space for the 4th figure on the left hand side and complete the series. Okay children. Next, let's start the question. You can observe the clearly. You can observe clearly. Okay, this line, okay. Next, here 2 figures given. First of all, you can select any one figure. You can observe order. First, I will select this diagram. This one, this line, circle is inside. Next, where is the diagram? Here, look at. Anti-clockwise rotated. So this is the first number. Next, anti-clockwise means this is second, this is third, this is the fourth one. So first one, okay. Second, look at. So second one, line, this line, okay. Circle is outside. Circle is outside. Next, third place. Circle inside. So fourth place. What is the fourth place? This is the fourth place. So first circle inside, outside. Next inside, next outside compulsory. Okay. This type of option, where is the possible? So option A wrong, option D wrong. B and C possible based on the first diagram, based on the circle and line. Next, plus or minus symbol you can observe. First diagram plus or minus inside. In the second diagram minus plus. Okay, anti-clockwise rotation only. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. This is the fourth place. Okay, line, this straight line, okay, this line, okay. In the first one, plus to minus, minus plus but outside. Here plus minus, here minus to plus outside compulsory. So which option satisfied? Option B is the right answer, children. Option B is the right answer. Next, 2018 year, only previous concepts. This rectangle box, vertical line. In the second diagram, the diagram is rotated like this. Okay, like rectangle box, one line. In the third diagram, 2 vertical lines. In the fourth one, it become a horizontal. That line common, like this. So which option satisfied? Option A is the right answer. Next, very easy question. Same 2018. One circle, here 2 circles, third one. So what is the fourth one? Easily you can identify. Easily you can identify. One circle, second circle, third circle, fourth circle. Looking like this diagram. So which option satisfied? So option A, completely corners that circle. So wrong. In option B, they given a triangle. So obviously wrong. In option C, they given rectangle shape. So wrong. In option D, check it clearly. This is the right answer. Okay, children. Next. Horizontal lines, one vertical line. Count your values. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Here vertical line is 1. Okay, horizontal lines reduced by the 1. Vertical lines, okay, intersecting line increased by the 1. So in the first diagram 5 horizontal. Okay, in the second diagram 4. Third diagram 3. 5, 4, 3. Next only 2 only. This intersecting vertical line in 1, 2, 3. So next 4. So which option satisfied? Check it clearly. Which option is satisfied? Clearly check it. Option C is the right answer. Remaining everything wrong. Option C is the right answer, children. Next. This is also very easy. 2017 problem actually. Circle. Complete circle. In the second step, it become half. So semicircle. Again half. So again half means looking like this. Okay, the diagram become a half. Okay, half. So which option satisfied? Option A is the satisfied. Option B wrong, C wrong, D wrong. Diagram become a half. Okay, children. Next, plus or minus symbols. Okay, children, clearly observe. Your visual power also important too. Here 4 operators given: multiplication, divisibility, plus and minus symbol. Out of the 4 operators, you can select any one operator, then go to the order. First, I can select the plus symbol in the first diagram. Second one is here. So this is first place, this is second place, third place, and fourth place. I mean, this plus is rotated like a anti-clockwise direction. That's the second place. Next, third place. So next, fourth place. So this is the place. Look at. So which option possible? Plus. Option D, directly got the answer. Option D, directly got answer. But every value also can check. Divisibility, first step, second step, third step, fourth step. This is divisibility. Anti-clockwise. One step is rotated like this. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now anti-clockwise direction. Looking like this. Okay, anti-clockwise rotation. Next, into multiplication. First one, next this is next like this. So second step, okay, third step, okay, fourth step here. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is the answer? Minus here. Okay, option D, right answer. But in examination, so you can select a plus operator. That plus operator satisfied in option D. So directly put option D. Okay. In the practice time, I'm checking everything. But in examination, you can select any one operator enough. Next. This swastik symbol operators into head circle, plus and arrow symbol. Okay. Out of them, you can select any one operator. Suppose I select arrow symbol, first step, second step, third step. I mean, first, second, third. It is rotated like a clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. Okay, this is clockwise direction. One step is forwarded. So 1, 2, 3. Fourth step. What is the fourth step? This is the position. Here, arrow symbol. Looking like this. Okay, where is the options possible? Option B is the directly got only one. Only one. There is no other chances. So option B directly answer. This is examination pattern now. But practice purpose, I will check everything. Multiplication operator. So first step, second step, one step forwarded like this. So here multiplication symbol, next this one, next here. Okay, next arrow multiplication completed. Next circle, first step, this is second, third and fourth. Here fourth. Okay, children, next plus symbol. Say first, second, third and fourth. So fourth place means here, obviously. So which option satisfied? Option B is the right answer. Okay, children. Question number 8, 2019 problem. This one. This problem very easy for you. Okay. Two parabolas. Next, here one circle. Here two circles. Next, how many circles? Three circles. So which option satisfied? Option A is the right answer. Okay, children, this is 2019 question. Once again, triangle, triangle, triangle. Okay, 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 children, triangle. Okay. Clearly observe triangle shape. Okay, I read the triangle. Operator into second step. Where is the second diagram? This is the second diagram. Fourth one is here. Again, next to here. Observe multiplication operator. First step. This is second step. This is third step. So next to fourth one is here. So this is rotated like a clockwise direction. So where is the multiplication operator? Here multiplication operator. Which option possible here? Option B, option C, option D. Three possibilities. Okay, option A completely wrong. So three possibility. Next, this minus operator, minus first position, second position, third position. I mean rotated as a clockwise direction again. So this is the position. So this minus operator is the bottom of the triangle. Where is the bottom of the triangle? Here, option C. Okay, option C. So easily you can get the answer. Option C is the right answer. Remaining options are not satisfied. Okay, but for our convenience, everything also. So minus operator, multiplication operator, minus operator completed. What is the remaining? Plus operator. From the vertex to opposite side, one perpendicular or one line. Okay, one line. So first position, second one, third, again fourth one is looking like this. So option C is the right answer, children. Okay. This is series concept, very easy. 5 out of 5 also very easy. Okay, children. Thank you. All the best.
Geobite.